let's talk a little bit more about graphing linear equations from standard form. Remember that standard form is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are just integers. So basically your x and your y are on the same side. Ideally, we have it in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and then b is your y-intercept, but we don't have that in standard form. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our standard form and we're going to rewrite it in slope-intercept form. That way we can easily identify the slope and the y-intercept. So let's check out this one. So this is in standard form because I have a, an integer coefficient on x, then b, an integer coefficient on y, and c is 9. So the x and the y are on the same side, equaling a constant, and then all of our numbers are integers. So I'm going to take this and rewrite it in slope-intercept form. If you don't want to do that, you could go ahead and make yourself an xy table, choose some x values, plug them in, and find the corresponding y value. But the reason I'm not a fan of this is because you're not guaranteed that all of your numbers are going to come out nice. You'll probably end up with some fractions, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to rewrite it in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, meaning I need to get the y alone. So I identify the whole y term first, and I'm going to get that whole piece alone first, which means I will add the 2x to both sides. Negative 2x plus 2x, those undo each other, and I'm left with positive 3y equals positive 2x and positive 9. I do write the plus 9 because these two terms are connected with addition and not multiplication or anything like that. So I need to be clear that they're connected with addition by writing that plus sign. Then I divide by 3, and when you multiply or divide when you're solving, you need to do it to everything on both sides of the equation. So I divide all of the pieces, leaving me with 2/3 x plus 9. So now I have my y equals mx plus b form. I know that my slope is 2/3, and my y-intercept is 9. So now I'm going to sketch a coordinate plane, and I'll go ahead and graph this. So first thing I'll do is start with my y-intercept. So my y-intercept is 9. I go to the y-axis, go up 9, and I put that point on my graph. Now from here, my slope is positive 2/3, which should mean up 2 and then right 3. But if I count up 2 and right 3 from that red dot, that y-intercept, I ran out of graph. I don't have enough graph to do that. So what I can do instead is say maybe my slope is 2/3, but I could also take that 2/3 and multiply the top and the bottom by a -1, because I'm allowed to multiply the top and the bottom by whatever I want as long as I do it to both of them. And I get -2 over -3. So these are both 2/3. But the reason that this one's helpful is because it tells me how to get to my line going the other way. So instead of going up the line, I'm going down the line. So this is going to be down 2, and then I'm going left 3. So from that y-intercept, I go down 2 and left 3 and put my point. I could do it again. Now we have plenty of information. We only need 2 points. As long as we have 2 points, we can draw our line. And this would be the graph of that linear equation. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.